Alcheme's work made the external program path closer to a real partner preview. Storage Fabric moved deeper into billing and durability, budget controls, settlement evidence, archive requests, permanent publishing, retrieval checks, and repair flows. Alcheme tightened the path for programs that extend Alcheme from outside the main app. External programs now have a clearer model for sandbox registration, reviewed production access, signed access proof, integration status, and what each app is allowed to do inside selected circles. For developers, the path is simpler. Understand how to connect, what is currently allowed, and what needs review before going further. The same batch also made runtime access stricter and easier to reason about. External apps now get clearer checks around submitted materials, knowledge context, circle access, chat or voice capability, and failure cases. That matters because partner apps should not depend on informal operator notes. The product needs a consistent answer for whether an app can act, why it cannot act, and what should happen next. Storage Fabric added the first full pass of billing and obligation controls. The system now covers budget authorization, credit ledger entries, invoice drafts, obligation reserves, and rules for non-payment. In product terms, this makes storage work accountable before any real payment flow is treated as live. Provider settlement also became more structured. Storage Fabric can now record provider settlement claims, reconcile ledger state, and expose a billing SDK surface for applications that need to read or prepare settlement data. This is still an evidence and control layer. It does not mean real provider payouts are already running end-to-end. The second Storage Fabric track opened the archive and repair lane. The project now has archive request gates, archive adapter boundaries, a worker for permanent publishing, retrieval probes, and a repair worker for cases where stored content needs to be checked and repaired. That gives the storage layer a clearer durability path. Request an archive, publish through controlled adapters, test retrieval, and trigger repair when the evidence says a copy is not healthy. The commits added coverage across external program access, app registration, signed access checks, source and knowledge status, billing controls, settlement claims, reconciliation, archive requests, archive publishing, retrieval probes, and repair. The main result is that Alcheme's external extension path became more partner-ready, while Storage Fabric moved from provider selection into the billing and durability controls that real storage operations will need.